Wypowiedź pierwsza.
When I was 10, my computer broke, but I was able to fix it. I replaced the broken part with a new one. Then I began repairing computers for some of my relatives. They paid me, so I always had some extra cash. At the age of 15, I knew enough about computers to start my first business. I hoped it would be a success, and it was.
Wypowiedź druga.
I'm quite successful, as my products are sold in over 40 local shops. Recently, I even had an offer from an internet store, but I'm still not sure what to do about it. How did I begin? Well, as a child, I enjoyed the strawberry jam made by my grandma Dorothy. Then I learned how to make it myself and started selling it at farmers' markets. It was a hit from the start.
Wypowiedź trzecia.
Some time ago, I couldn't find a birthday present for my friend. Fortunately, I had an idea. Instead of throwing away bottle caps, tins, and old pieces of leather, I used them to make a fun bracelet. My friend liked it a lot, so I kept producing similar bracelets and necklaces. Now I have a little shop with handmade decorations. It's a good business, but to get new customers, I'm thinking of selling online too.
Wypowiedź czwarta.
2 years ago, I took part in a competition for the best birthday card. My family were so impressed with my work that they encouraged me to draw cards for sale. I created a website and started to sell my designs on the internet. I'm happy about how my business is developing. I hope that soon you'll find my cards in shopping centres as well.